This video will show you how to create a Google Voice account using your Connect4Health Wellness Coach Google account. Please note that if you already have a Google Voice account, you do not need to create another account for this program so long as you are comfortable using your current Google Voice number. To begin setting up a Google Voice account, make sure that you are signed in to the correct Google account number, and you can type in voice.google.com into the URL box. And you want to set up a Google Voice account for personal use, and you have the option of downloading an app either on your Android device or your iOS device to have the Google Voice information directly on your phone. And so we'll explain in further detail how to make calls, but you have the option of making a call through your cell phone, and Google Voice will mask your number. And so you have the option with the app of doing the call that way, but also being able to text directly from the app. So long as you are connected to Wi-Fi, both of your calls and your text messages will not be charged to your service provider. Okay, and so we're going to set up the Google Voice account on the web. And so to begin, you click Continue. Okay, and you want to choose a Google Voice number, preferably in the city of Portsmouth. Since our food pantry residents live in Portsmouth, select whichever number pleases you. Okay, and to complete the setup, you need to verify an existing phone number. And so this is why if you already have a Google Voice account, there's no need to do this again. But if you do not have a number already paired to a Google Voice account, then this is the step that you will do it. And you can pair either a landline number or a cell phone number. And so I will be pairing a landline number. Okay. Oh, and I need to verify by phone. Okay. All right, so I have my code, and I will enter that in and click Verify. Okay, and now my number has been successfully linked, and I can finish setting up my Google Voice account. Okay, so I'll take a moment here to write the number down. Okay, and click Finish. And so now I'm brought to the main page of Google Voice. And here you can see all of your call history. There's also an option to dial out. As long as you are connected to Wi-Fi and have a mic either on your phone or on your computer, you can make calls through that device. Okay, over here on the left, you will see a phone, and that will be your call history. I have no calls here. And this message box indicates text messages that you can send, and voicemails will be here. And of course, your first voicemail is from Google Voice. All voicemails will be transcribed here, either on this page when you log into your Google account, into your Google Voice account, or within the app, you'll be able to see it. Now, if you ever have any specific questions about Google Voice, please do not hesitate to reach out to our team. You can always email us at pdpp@evms.edu. I also want to make you aware of the settings features. If you go to settings, you'll have the information of your Google Voice number, what number it is linked to, and you have the option of forwarding your messages directly to the linked number. And so if you want to see your messages from Google Voice directly in your inbox for your cell phone or that landline, you can, or just for your cell phone, you don't have the option for a landline, then that will you can switch this bar and it'll send it. If you would like to see the messages from Google Voice that come through as text messages in your email inbox, you have that option and it is automatically selected for you. If you don't want it, you can swipe this to the left and it will no longer forward those messages. And then you can screen your calls. If you scroll down, you have the option here to hear a caller's name when you pick up. And you can turn that off if you just want it to ring like a normal number. All right, and there's some other details. You can always switch it on to Do Not Disturb, and you can record your own personal voicemail greeting, which we recommend doing if you're setting up this Google Voice just for Connect4Health. But if you already have an existing Google Voice, don't worry, no need to do that. Keep it simple and as you prefer. And if you go to messages, if you ever you might get some spam phone calls or messages, but you have the option to designate those as spam so that they do not have to contact you anymore. And this is where you would do it. So there's a 3-button vertical line here, and you would click mark as spam or block number. And so we think Google Voice is really, really useful, and we hope that you find it really convenient. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video.